Good morning, everyone!
Good morning, teacher!
Today, we learn colors.
Wow, so many colors!
I love colors. What color is this?
Red!
Very good!
Red! I like red.
What color is this?
Blue!
Excellent!
The car is blue. I like blue.
What color is this?
Yellow!
Wonderful!
The sun is yellow. I love yellow.
Can you find something green?
The tree is green.
Excellent!
I found it. Green! What color is this? Purple!
Excellent!
The butterfly is purple. Purple is beautiful. What color is this? Black!
Very good!
The paint is black. I found black. What color is this? White!
Excellent!
The bottle is white. I like white.
Can you find something red?
The apple is red. Red!
Great job!
I found the apple. Red! Red!
Can you find something blue?
The car is blue. The car is blue.
Excellent!
I found the car. Blue! Blue!
Let's paint a rainbow.
Yay! I see yellow and green, purple, black, and white.
Wonderful colors. Look! Our rainbow is beautiful.
Wow! I love all the colors. Our rainbow is finished.
Great teamwork.
What's your favorite color? My favorite color is pink. Wonderful! I like blue. Let's say the colors together. Red, blue, yellow, green, purple, black. Great job, everyone!
Great job today.
Keep smiling. Keep learning. Keep learning. See you next time.